Very loving people.
Life is no time to be practical.
Hi! Okay, I just finished my Valentine's Day doll. I don't know if you guys remember that I was working on this. She has a little heart for a face, the little teeth, the bluer body. She's quite cute, and I used some pink doll's hair on her. Yeah, here she is. Happy Valentine's Day almost, everyone.
Very loving people.
Welcome to the Peter.
Ants all belong to the family Formicidae. Formicidae. They are eusocial and related to wasps and bees. These are the workers of the colony, toiling hard to excavate the inner chambers of the nest. Somewhere deep inside, the queen is laying eggs. She controls the sex of her offspring. Fertilized eggs become females and other workers, where unfertilized eggs become males.
Goodbye.
Please consider supporting our channel by joining us at Patreon.